Hi, this is Mike Torlone from ONE Systems live at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. Here, ONE Systems is showing a couple of new models and additions to our line. Our first product we have here is called the ONE.SL15. And this is a 15-inch two-way system, direct radiator, and this has large format components, including a 15-inch woofer with a 3-inch voice coil and a 2.5-inch compression driver on a rotatable 60 by 40 horn. The system has very wide frequency response and has excellent deep bass performance. So for applications that need some additional heft in the low end, this product provides that, but it still has very good intelligibility. Like all ONE Systems products, the speaker is fully weatherproof and it's rated at IP55. It comes standard with a structural steel U-bracket that has a dual layer zinc-rich powder coating, and we also have an optional pole mount bracket available for this speaker for added installation flexibility. Over on the other side of the booth,